Hi everyone and welcome to Fab Parks. Today in 5 minutes, Universal Studios Hollywood. The first one in the world, the one with a studio tour. I'm gonna show you quickly what's on offer and then we're gonna wrap it up at the end of the video. In the meantime, please subscribe. Super Nintendo World is still an amazing and super immersive land, and I finally found a way to enjoy Mario Kart. Forget about the game, forget about the visor, and just enjoy the dark ride. The usual screen-heavy Transformers. In Jurassic World, the water ride has been updated to the newest movie, and with few changes they even improved what it was already a masterpiece. The new animatronics are breathtaking. From the longest attraction in the park, the escalators, you can spot the new coasters, and this park is in desperate need of new attractions. The studio tour is a mix of a traditional studio tour and some attractions already seen in other Universal parks, 3D glasses and projections. The overall result is good and some of the sets are amazing, especially Jaws and the War of Worlds. The usual Simpson Land with another screen-based attraction. Thank God it's going. It cannot be a Universal Park without the Harry Potter Land with the castle and the RoboCoaster. Probably the best stunt show in the world, Waterworld. Here the usual Minions attraction, but also Secret Life of Pets, which hasn't got any screen and is a traditional dark ride. And here we go with the top 5. It's worth mentioning that the Revenge of the Mummy was closed. In 5th place we got lots of different attractions, so let's go straight to the 4th place with the Studio Tour. In 3rd place, Mario Kart. 2nd place, Harry Potter Forbidden Journey. And the winner is Jurassic World. And so here we go, Universal Studios Hollywood. And what to say? Well, it's the first Universal theme park in the world and the only one with a studio tour. Studio tour, but they try to turn it a bit into a ride with some bits, for example, from Fast and Furious and these 3D glasses and projections. It's not as authentic as other ones that you might find, for example, in Warner, but it's still fun and quite interesting. The rest is a kind of appetizer, if you want. It's a sample of what you will find in other Universal theme park, because they got the usual themed areas like Harry Potter, Simpsons, Jurassic Parks, and so on. But every single land has got one attraction only, which is nothing compared to what you can find in other Universal Studios. So clearly there is a lack of offer, and as I said, it's a kind of appetizer of what Universal Park usually delivers. Say that it's still worth a visit, yes, maybe just once in a lifetime, but they are in desperate need of new attraction, and thankfully the new drifting coaster is coming, and from what we saw from the building side, well, it looks really interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe.